Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuke channel. Today for ZW3D tips and tricks how to create 3D models in PDF files. First, I will create a new part, and then I will create a simple 3D models. We can create block in here, and you can press OK. The next, to create a 3D PDF from these 3D models, you can click Files, and next you can click Export. You can click Export in here. The next, you can change for save as type into PDF files, and you can set name in here. Like I will set into example1. You can press save. We're waiting, and will be appear part or assembly PDF settings dialog box. In here we can setting export type into 3D PDF. And you also can set for paper settings, like you can set into portrait or landscape. This is for paper size for A3, or you can set into A4 as you desire. The next, for units, you can set into millimeter or inch. You can click in the PDF info tab, and then in here we can set for titles example 1, author Mufasuke, subject example 1, and keywords PDF. You can click OK. Now it will be saved in folders. The next, you can open the folder. Okay, I will open this folder, and we already create this PDF example1 files. You can double click to open, or you can right click, and I will open it with Adobe Reader. Okay, we're waiting to open. Okay, now we already create this simple 3D models in PDF files. So very easy to create 3D models in PDF with ZW3D software. Okay, enough today for ZW3D tips and tricks how to create 3D models in PDF files. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.